Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate portable power solution. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over, or fully powering multiple devices on a single charge. This massive 20,000 mAh capacity means you're prepared for long trips, busy days, or unexpected power outages. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible charge every time. With dual USB ports, you can power up 2 gadgets simultaneously, perfect for you and a friend, or your phone and tablet. Forget slow, unreliable chargers. This Anker portable charger is a game changer for anyone needing dependable power on the go. If you're looking to buy the best portable power bank for travel or daily use, you absolutely need this. It's not just a battery, it's peace of mind, built with Anker's renowned quality and safety. Check out the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon today. For anyone seeking the top electronics of 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute must-have portable charger.